Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. I'm going to show you how to draw this cartoon dog step by step. Stick around. Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. We are going to draw a dog step by step. You need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper and follow along with me. If your cartoon looks different, that's okay. That is your own unique cartoon style and it's totally rad cool. Let's start by drawing a circle for one of the eyes, and then we are going to draw a pupil on the left because our dog is looking towards the left. Now let's draw a line from the right going towards the left. Oh yeah! Now we're going to draw the nose of the dog. Just a curved line and then stop and then add some shading. Yabba-da-ba-ba-da, yabba-da-bum-ba-dum-ba-da, yum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Hey! Oh yeah, dogs are so rad cool. Now we're going to draw some curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the top of the mouth. Oh yeah. Now, does your dog go, right? They do that a lot. So let's draw the tongue sticking out a curved line and then a little line in the center. Practice, practice, practice. Now we're going to draw the jaw. Can you say that 3 times fast? Couple curved lines and then stop. Ready, cool. Let's draw part of the other eye, a curved line on the left and then part of the pupil and then add a little bit of shading. Now we are going to draw the ears. On the right, going up and then stop. And then we're going to draw the other ear just a little bit. Oh yeah. Now you can tell this is a fluffy dog. Raise your hand if you have a fluffy dog. Totally rad and cool. Let's draw the top of the head going around and then stop. Next, we are going to draw the back of the head and then stop, and then just a little bit of the front of the neck because we're gonna put a dog collar on our dog. Radicule! To make the dog collar, it's basically just a long rectangle. Oh yeah, radicule! And then underneath the dog collar, we're gonna draw a couple curved lines on the left and then on the right.
This is my taco.
This is my taco. His name is not my taco.
This is my taco. Taco Tuesday. This is my taco. His name is Chico Chave.
If anyone wants to see my taco, well, here it is. Hi, this is my taco named Dragon.
Hi, my name is Al, and this is my taco named Sal. Bye.
This is my taco.
This is my taco, and this is my fishing taco.
He thinks he can surf, but he can't.
I'm cool as a fish.
Now let's go back and draw the other ear going off towards the left. Oh yeah! Now we're going to add detail. Can everyone say detail? Either add a backward C or a letter C all the way around your little doggy. Your doggy's fluffy, doing a great job. And then we're gonna add some other detail around the rest of our puppy. And then we're gonna add some shading in the collar. Oh yeah! Dogs like to go woof, woof, woof. So let's write that out. W-O-O-F with an exclamation point. Let's draw the speech bubble or the caption. A big curved line going all the way around, and then a small sideways V, and then connect. You can make your caption or speech bubble however you would like. All you have to do though is practice, practice, practice. We are almost finished with our cartoon dog. Let's draw some action lines around the ears, around the nose, around the tongue, and then by the collar. And there you go for your cartoon dog. Radicule! It was so radical to draw cartoons with you. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Keep cartooning and watching. It's Capo Toon time. Radicule!